Hi guys, so we bought Filipino bread.
Nakabili kami ng hopya, Spanish. Buti nakita nila yun.
Siguro nakita niyo sila og mga bakery. Say hi.
Hi! I'm so happy, guys. Nakabili kami ng panito, Spanish bread, cheese bread, hopya, mango at yung sibuyas. I'm so happy.
You know what guys? Nilakad namin from Pilar ko. Ilang kanto nga rin? 3. Nilakad namin 3 kanto.
Yeah. Just to buy this bread.
Ilang kilometer ko? 5. So, atong ka lang 10 kilometer. Okay. Ito, it's tiring, but it's worth it.
Excited ako.
I bought 2 Spanish bread and I will try